Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to decorate my wooden bird's house. So for this, first of all, I have taken my green pale acrylic paint. Now here I made a sketch to fill it with marker color. So now I am using the glue for the upper portion to put glitters on it, because I have decided to put glitter to make it shiny. So this is the final look. I hope you like it, guys. Please give it a like. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.